My future is filled with endless opportunities. I embrace the adventures that await me. Every day brings me closer to my dreams. Success and happiness are within my reach. Challenges make me stronger and more resilient. I am a magnet for positive experiences. My potential to succeed is limitless. Bright prospects are coming my way. I trust my journey to lead me to greatness. Each step forward opens new doors. My efforts today shape a better tomorrow. I am worthy of an extraordinary life. My talents will be recognized and appreciated. I am building a future full of joy and satisfaction. New horizons await my exploration. I am the architect of my fate. My hard work is laying the foundation for success. I attract abundance in all aspects of my life. Tomorrow holds the promise of growth and achievement. I am destined for greatness. Every challenge is a stepping stone to success. My goals are within my grasp. I am unstoppable in my pursuit of happiness. Brighter days are on the horizon. I am equipped to overcome any obstacle. My journey is marked with triumphs. I am creating a legacy of success. The future shines bright with possibilities. I am surrounded by endless potential. My ambitions drive me forward. I thrive under pressure and always deliver. Every day, I grow stronger and more focused. My dreams are becoming a reality. I welcome the adventures of tomorrow. Success is a journey, and I am on the right path. I am prepared for the wonderful things coming my way. My abilities are constantly evolving. I am a beacon of hope and positivity. The universe conspires to help me succeed. I am confident in my ability to create a bright future. Each moment brings new opportunities for growth. My passion fuels my journey towards success. I am resilient, strong, and capable of greatness. The future holds incredible experiences for me. I am deserving of all the good that comes to me. My actions today are shaping a prosperous tomorrow. I am a powerhouse of creativity and innovation. Every step I take is leading me to a brighter future. I am unstoppable in achieving my dreams. My future is a canvas of endless potential. I am the master of my destiny. Tomorrow brings opportunities for personal growth. I am a force for positive change in my life. My journey is filled with rewarding experiences. I am creating a future of happiness and success. Each day, I move closer to my ideal future. I am destined to achieve great things. My potential for success is infinite. I welcome each new challenge with open arms. I am a visionary shaping my path forward. My efforts are creating a prosperous future. I am energized by the possibilities ahead. I am a catalyst for positive change and growth. The future is mine to create and enjoy. Every day, I build a brighter tomorrow. I am in control of my journey and destination. My aspirations guide me towards success. I am a creator of opportunity and possibility. Each challenge brings me closer to my goals. I am a leader in crafting my future. My spirit is unbreakable and geared for success. I am a magnet for success and fulfillment. My path is lined with victories and achievements. I am ready to embrace the future's gifts. Every day is a step towards a brighter future. I am constantly moving forward to greater things. My determination is my key to a successful future. I am an innovator shaping my destiny. The future holds boundless opportunities for me. I am a warrior, ready to conquer my dreams. My journey is enriched with learning and growth. I am a beacon of innovation and progress. The future is bright and full of promise. I am creating a life of abundance and joy. My path is clear and leads to success. I am a trailblazer in my journey towards greatness. Every day, I get closer to achieving my dreams. I am a champion of my own future. My life is a series of successful ventures. I am destined to thrive and prosper. I am an architect of my future's success. My future is an exciting adventure of growth. I am a powerhouse of potential and capability. Each moment is a chance to create a brighter future. I am unstoppable in my quest for success. My life is a journey of continuous progress. I am a creator of positive and impactful change. The future is a landscape of opportunity and success. I am the driver of my destiny's vehicle. Every day, I am closer to a future of brilliance and achievement.